I used to start my Chayote very early as December. But despite their growth, if it's still cold outside, we cannot help it but to wait until they can be planted in the ground. No choice but to start them indoors, but a bit later than usual. Something we've learned. These are the best size. They should be big enough to contain the Chayote. Let's go home. Another part of the Chayote is to start them. Perhaps rarely seen before. I've done this before. Potting inside the house. That's why, understand, we have protected our floor. I bought this at the garden center, but it doesn't have to be commercially produced compost. Garden ground is totally acceptable. We need more of this. Yeah. Again, welcome. It's time to pot our chayotes for growing. It's time to pot our chayotes for the gardening season 2026. Let's remind ourselves that I kept this in the coldest part of the house to delay their growth. And I think 2 weeks ago or a week ago, I brought them out. I brought them out for them to start growing. That's the best way to say that. Look, let's get a closer look. Before, this were the growth in 3 months. Very slow. And then when it was exposed to room temperature and in sunlight, it grew faster in 1 week. And look, it even acquired color thanks to the sun. Look, even side shoot there. Now, it needs the soil. It can grow like this, but I think it begins to look for the soil. Let's get a closer look here, a close up. This is where the roots will come out. Yeah. And they will look for the soil. How about this one? Look. Careful, careful. It's beginning to get dry because the plant consumes the moisture of the fruit. And this is where we expect the roots to come out. So we'll plant it like this. It can be boring watching someone pot plants, but believe me, it's therapeutic. I enjoy watching this myself. To be honest, I was tempted to put music background, but let's keep it this way. Let's make it pure, immersive, and therapeutic. Beautiful. I told you, it was relaxing. And I'm going to place it in a beautiful pot because it's indoors. Not just indoors, but in my living room. Yeah. Next, we'll do the second. It's smaller. Yeah. Like that. In fact, we don't have to entirely cover the fruit because the roots will find their way. And here. Beautiful. And I'm going to place them at a place where it's sunny. This is the best place. This is the best place. Here. Yeah. Get her there. There's one more to do, but at this time I'd like to say thank you. I won't do it in front of the camera. The third one. The third one. This one, I'm going to share to someone who's also into gardening. This goes to Vienna. This I'm gonna pot. Meanwhile, thank you for joining me. I'd like to see you again next time as we plant this in the ground. That would be roughly middle May. See you then. Thank you. I'd like to leave you with some shots of how it is in the garden at this time. It's still extremely cold. Now you understand why the need for potting them inside.